Greeting. This is Matt, bro. We're going to be looking at Google Drive. What is Google Drive? Yes, Google Drive. So a lot of us might be hearing the name Google Drive. So we want to know exactly what is Google Drive, what it entails, and all of that. So very important. So I'll be guiding you through this particular process right here and see exactly how it works. Right? So very important. First, I want to make you know exactly what the purpose of it, what it do, and all of that. Right? So very important here. So let me try and get it up, right? If you notice right here, so Google Drive is a free cloud-based storage service that enable users to store and access file online, which means on the internet, right? This service syncs, store, document, photos, and more across all the user's devices, including mobile devices, tablet, and PC. So it doesn't matter whatever device you have, everything can actually sure from once it actually sync across, right? So very important. So these are some instructions we're going to actually look at to say exactly what we can do in Google Drive, right? If you notice right here, how to sign into Google Drive, how to create a folder. So want to know exactly how we can create a folder inside the Google Drive that we can actually put some file, right? How to change the color, the folder color. So for instance, you have 4 5 different color folder. You don't want everything on one color. So you can put each color at a different section that you can identify it, right? Or to upload a file. So if you create like maybe a Microsoft, you can actually upload it. Or to download a file from the same Google Drive. All right, and also going to look at how we're going to share the file. And right here, how to sign out of the Google Drive. So very important. So this is exactly what we're going to actually be looking at right here. So the first thing we want to do is to bring up the browser, right? Bring up the browser here. If you notice, it's the browser right here. You can come right here and click on the Gmail sign right here. All right, so we're going to click right here on the Gmail sign. So we're going to actually sign in to that particular section. So you see exactly how it works, how it operates, right? And as I can see right here, as I said, that show you how to have sign in. All right, so you're going to come right here, right? I'm going to sign into this one. I'm going to click right here. So while I click right here, if you notice right up here, show that it's actually processing. Yes, notice it bring me to this particular screen where it says enter your password. So I'm going to enter my password so far, and as soon as I enter the password, I'm going to come right down here. I'm going to press word next. When I press word next, if you notice up here, show that it's actually processing so far. Yes, so show it's actually processing. Then after that, you're going to take it directly into the drive. So you see exactly what really takes place there, right? And if you notice right here, show your Google Workforce. Right, I notice right down here is loading basic HTML. So the HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So that you literally open up a web page. Yes, so far. Right. And if you notice, this section actually take me exactly in the email. Right. So what I wanted to do next, definitely, if you notice right here, the 9 that I want to click right here. And then look at that, they're going to come all the way here. You're going to click on the drive. So now you're going to click on the drive. All right. So actually click on the drive so far. So click on the drive, and it's right up here. So it's a drive.google.com/drive. All right, and if you notice, we start to see folder so far here. And if you notice where you see new, you see drive, you see computer, you see share with me, recent, stars, trash, and other. So now we're actually in. So we're going to be looking at the next. So fancy what next, right? So you say how to create a folder. So we're going to be looking at how we're going to create a folder right here. Right, so in order for me to create a folder, notice right here is a new. So you're going to come all the way to your left. You're going to see where this plus, the word new. So you're going to click on it. When you click on it, what you will see is a folder. You will see upload, you see upload file, upload folder, right? A Google Doc, sheet, slide, form, and more. But what you want to focus on right here is folder. So when I click on the folder, if you notice up here in the middle right here is a new folder. If I click right here, I can actually get rid of it. Notice here untitled folder. It's a cancel and then say create. So I'm going to put a folder name here. So I'm going to name it web page right here. When I name it web page, then I want to come right here and click right create. Right? Good. I click create. So this is self with the folder. Right? That name web page that we just create a while ago. Right? So very important. Right, so the next thing that you want you to do now is how to change the color. Right, how to change the color of the folder. Right, how to change the folder color right here. Right, so the next thing we want you to do now, the same folder, you're going to put the cursor on the folder. Just like that, you're going to right click. When you right click, if you notice right here, you show your color, change color, you're going to come over here. You can actually choose a color of your choice. Alright, and if you want to notice, you notice the color it change. If you don't like that one, just show what the color pan is. Right click, come here, you can actually come and choose one like that. Right, very important, and that's exactly how you actually change that one. So next thing we want to do now is how to upload a file. Alright, so we're going to upload a file. Or we're going to upload a file, we're going to come back to the left right here. Notice the word plus, and then we're going to click. When I click on it, this is where I want to focus on, upload file. So we're going to click on that. So that itself going to take me to a particular window that I can actually get it file directly from my desktop. Right, if you notice right here, so you can actually come right here and click my desktop to actually get the file so far. But if you notice right here, this is the file. I'm going to click on it. You notice it highlight. If I want to highlight, I'm going to come near where say open, and I will say cancel. I'm going to click on word open. So when I click on word open, notice right over here, make sure that one item upload the notice. All right, good. The notice right tick. That actually upload. But if you notice you haven't seen the item, no. All right, in order for you to see it, you're going to come right here. That's a recent. You click on word recent to your left. Right, very important. And this is the document that we just uploaded a while ago. Yes. Right, so you can always come over here and actually close that. So this is what we did a while ago. So you can actually click and go back up there. So we're going to be looking at the next information. Right, the next information is that is how to download the file. Right, very important. So we're going to bring up again how we're going to download the file. Right, so for instance, these are some files right here. Right, so very important. Alright, so let me click on recent here. Alright, these are some files definitely I wanted to download the file, but we're going to download the file. The first thing that we want to do is to put the cursor right on the file. We're going to right click. When you right click, what you will see here is the preview, open, share, link, location, shortcut, move, views, and all that. So this is the word download. I want to click on the word download. If you notice immediately to the left right here, say convert into Word, you notice you see it? It's actually downloading right here, right? So show you know it actually finished. So that's exactly how you download that particular file. Right. So the next thing that we wanted to be looking at right here, right, is how to share the file. Yes, how to share the file. Right. So therefore, this is self the file we wanted to share. So one thing you have to put the cursor upon it, you're going to right click. If you notice right away it says share, you're going to click on the word share. Notice to show that it actually loaded in right here. So if there's a plus, you can X rather, you can actually click it and that actually close it off completely. But if you notice up here, it have a thing like a setting right here. It says share with people and group. But if you come right here and you click on this particular setting right here, notice, right, it says share with people. You should say edit can be changed permission right here. Editor can change permission or share. So click right here so to go back, right? When you do that, if you notice right here, say whatever the writer you can click to put in the person email address. Right, if you notice right here, just who the person sent it from. If you notice right down here, so you can click right here so and get a link. So what I want to do is say click right here. Notice it bring up some email address immediately. So I'm going to choose this particular person here. And if you notice right here, it says send, but not on that right here. So you can write a message, right? And I can write a message and say greeting as an example right here. So when I do that, if you notice, you come right here, so notice the word editor, if you click on this pointer right here, show that viewers, commenter, edit. So if you have it on this edit, the person can edit the document, right? If you click right here, the person can only comment. If you put it here, the person can only view, right? So when you finish all of that, now you can come right here and you press send, right? So when you press send, there you go. If you notice, add the person, right? So very important. So the next information is how to sign out, right? So very important how you sign out. So when you're in the drive here, definitely, all you wanted to sign out, you're going to come right here. Notice the L. But some of you might not see that. Why? Because maybe some of you maybe don't have a profile picture like this. So if your name starts with like maybe Marlon, you see the word M in here. So if your name starts with Karen, you will see the word key right there. So if your name starts with maybe Sasona, you will see it right here. So alright, so you're gonna click on it. When you click on it, you know, it's going to bring up some more. You know, so you haven't seen any way to sign out. Don't have this, you know, to the scroll bar here. Take a time and scroll up, and this is the word sign out. So you're going to click right here, and the word sign out, and then that will take you directly back to a screen where exactly where you actually sign in from the very beginning. Alright, if you notice right over here, it actually show you a thing that going back, right? You know, to take you directly back to the screen. Alright, so very important. So I hope you have learned something from this video here. So remember to share it with your friend and comment on it and all of that. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.